Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And it is quiet right now in Huntsville, but if you look off to the northeast, and this is up top on Montesano looking off to the northeast, dark clouds right now with some of those stronger storms moving through Jackson County. These are all moving to the northwest towards Tennessee, but we still have plenty of heat and humidity to go for this afternoon into the evening for more storms to develop. It's 91 degrees right now in Huntsville. That's at the Huntsville International Airport. Heat index of 98, and we touched 99 earlier, so a few values close to 100. So hot and steamy for back to school for Madison City and Madison County. What we are seeing right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, most of the storms are east of I-65 and even east of Madison County, and these are all moving to the northwest at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And you'll notice that a lot of these are moving or developing in Georgia and then crossing over the state line and into DeKalb and Jackson County. We'll zoom in a little bit closer. This is by far the strongest storm that I'm seeing right now after seeing a severe thunderstorm earlier this afternoon in parts of Lincoln County. And taking a look at some of the wind data, and this is coming from the high top radar, which is just off to the northwest, very close by. Some of these brighter greens that you see, those are winds closer to about 40 miles per hour. So packing some pretty gusty winds with this thunderstorm as it moves to the northwest. Also picking up some hail. This is not damaging size hail, but about a half an inch in size hail in the core of this thunderstorm, along with some pretty heavy rainfall and quite a bit of cloud to ground lightning. If I put a track on this, again, this is moving at about 25 miles per hour. This will be moving into Sulphur Springs here at about 4:30, Stevenson at about 4:45, and closer to Bridgeport at about 4:53. So that's a little over about 30 minutes from now. Also seeing some storms now approaching Collinsville. These have quickly started to ramp up in the last 5 to 10 minutes, producing quite a bit of cloud to ground lightning. So everyone needs to be indoors. If you're hearing thunder, seeing lightning, it's producing heavy rain and likely some pea-sized hail. And again, these are all moving to the northwest, and also keeping a close eye on that big cluster of storms developing near Dallas, Georgia. That may survive as it approaches Cherokee, Etowah County, as well as DeKalb County. By tomorrow, though, we're back to the process again. Temperatures bottoming in the low to mid 70s. Could see a little bit of fog tomorrow morning for the kids out at the bus stop, so take it slow if you encounter some of that fog. And then back up to the low to mid 90s and enough heat and humidity for a few pop-up hit or miss showers and storms. So all the way through about 7 o'clock this evening, most of the showers and storms remaining closer to Sand Mountain. You'll notice that we're dry for areas near and west of I-65, so the trash man should be okay this evening, but it could be a close call with some storms near Madison County. Then all the way through the overnight hours, if you look close enough, we have a big cluster of storms off to the northwest. That's actually a remnant complex of storms from this afternoon, this evening. Never really makes it here, but it could be the trigger for maybe a few pop-up showers and storms into your Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, but the coverage and chances are pretty low for tomorrow. Look at the rainfall forecast. This goes through the next 2 days. We're talking a trace to about 1/4 of an inch of rainfall for most areas. A lot of areas staying dry through the next 2 days, but then the map does start to fill in through the next 7 days, and a lot of that rainfall is expected by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and that's when we do have the highest chances on the 7-day forecast. Look at the temperatures. We're also still holding in the low to mid 90s all the way through this weekend, so it will be hot for the trash pandas as they wrap up this home stand at Toyota Field. And then look at the temperatures finally back down to the mid 80s by the middle of next week with those higher rain chances and widespread rain, again cooling us off.
Credit score chaos, the big mistake Equifax admits to, and the impact on